friends, today I'm going to be making Tamagoyaki in 8 ways. I love Tamagoyaki so much. Dashi-flavored fluffy Tamagoyaki is my all-time favorite, but sometimes I need something different. These are my twists on Tamagoyaki that I used to make for my son's Bento. Let's get started. My Tamagoyaki recipe is Kyoto style, so adding no sugar in it, but if you like a sweet one, add sugar to your liking. I love the savory aroma of the dashi, and we call it dashimaki instead of tamagoyaki. Anyways, let's start off with plain tamagoyaki. First, let's mix the seasonings. I always use my homemade Mentsuyu, but you can use the store-bought Mentsuyu, or you can always use the dashi powder instead. I'll put both ratio for the seasonings. Add half a teaspoon of potato starch, 1.5 teaspoons of Mentsuyu, and 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. Watch my signature Mentsuyu recipe if you haven't seen it. It's so aromatic and flavorful. Set a rectangular tamagoyaki pan on medium-high heat, and when it becomes scorching hot, add some oil. And if it's too hot, put it on a damp towel to cool a little bit. Do not add too much oil, otherwise the tamagoyaki tastes oily and makes the texture firm. Add a quarter of the egg mixture to the pan and spread evenly. Roll it from top to your side before the mixture cooks through. Oil the pan again and place the first layer away from you. Add the next quarter of the mixture and spread to the surface of the pan and run the mixture under the cooked tamagoyaki. And roll it up again while some of the mixture are not set yet to stick each other, and repeat the process 2 more times. If you want to put it in a bento lunchbox, please do add potato starch to avoid the soggy tamagoyaki. A little starch will work amazingly, but if you eat soon after finish cooking, you can skip it. And this is the third turn. And fourth turn. And cook a little bit more for each side while rotating the tamagoyaki. And voila! It's pretty much done. Next, I will show you how to make simple but delicious Nori Tamagoyaki. Goes so well with hot steamed rice. Before start cooking, prepare Nori Sheet, the same size as the Tamagoyaki pan. You can fold and tear into the desired size. Prepare the egg mixture same as plain Tamagoyaki, and then pour the mixture into the pan. Place the Nori Sheet onto the egg mixture still wet and roll it up. And let's do the second turn. You don't want to add that Nori Sheet this time. And then third turn. Place the Nori Sheet on the egg mixture. And the fourth turn, you don't have to add nori. And fifth and the last turn, we add the Nori Sheet. And there you have it. There is no rules for how many Nori Sheet you add, so add as much as you want. It has a little bit of oceanic flavor and it goes so well with rice. I love this. And the next one is another simple but delicious tamagoyaki recipe, the Scallion Tamagoyaki. Prepare egg mixture and add the chopped scallions. And cook and shape into tamagoyaki. The pungent flavor of scallion gives it a nice kick. The next one is Okonomiyaki Tamagoyaki. It's an Osakan twist for tamagoyaki, but it tastes so good. Add chopped Beni Shoga, red pickled ginger, and add Aonori seaweed. Mix well and cook and shape into tamagoyaki and serve with Okonomiyaki sauce. If you like okonomiyaki, you are going to love this idea. Tastes so good. And the next one is Crabstick and garlic chives. This is my son's all-time favorite, and I love it too. Add shredded crab sticks and chopped garlic chives, and mix well and cook and shape into tamagoyaki. This one takes more time to cook through, so start cooking with a medium-low heat and take your time to cook through. This is so satisfying and very good for your bento lunchbox. And the next one is Tuna Tamagoyaki. Actually, this is my favorite when I was a junior high school. I used to make my own lunchbox, and this was my go-to. Mix seasonings and add it to the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is the key ingredient for this Tuna Tamagoyaki. Add tuna and the seasonings and mix well, cook and shape into tamagoyaki. If you have tuna in your pantry, you can make a new wave of tamagoyaki. The next one is Tarako Tamagoyaki. We usually use whole cod roe in the tamagoyaki, but for me it is too salty, so I break it down into the small pieces before roll it into the tamagoyaki. Here is how I take out the cod roe from the film-like thin skin or membranes, put it on a plastic wrap, cut the slit, and open it up, and take it out with the spine of the knife. It's that easy and you don't want to waste any of the cod roe. And when you cook the tamagoyaki, place it onto the surface, little by little like this. And there you have it. The contrast of the yellow and red looks so beautiful, and when you eat it, the saltiness of tarako makes you feel eat more rice, so be careful. It tastes so good. Last but not least, ham and cheese. This is a East meets West kind of recipe, but it's so Japanese home cooking. We love arranging the Western style dishes into Japanese style dishes. It's almost like a Western style omelette, but you can still feel the dashi, so it's still maintaining the Japanese taste. Prepare egg mixture and mix the chopped ham and the grated Parmigiano Reggiano and dried parsley. Cook and shape into tamagoyaki, and there you have it. It tastes rich and satisfying, but surprisingly goes so well with miso soup and rice. Okay, here are my 8 favorite tamagoyaki. You will never tire of it. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon not to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!